I was tucking her in bed, and it caught me by surprise when my little girl asked me, "What does God look like?" Well, I smiled and laughed a little, leaned over for a kiss, said, "Baby, I don't know, but I can tell you this. I've been to the ocean, and I've stood on a mountain. I've seen a sunset burn away a sky of blue. I've stared up at the starlight, got lost in the midnight. I've never seen the face of God, but I've seen what He can do." I thought about the wonders around us every day, the stuff that if you let it, it'll take your breath away. But I've also found His glory shining from within. The heart of a sinner has just been born again. 'Cause I've been to the river, watched souls going under. Forgiveness washed them clean, and mercy made them new. And I can tell you firsthand, gone is the old man. I've never seen the face of God, but I've seen what He can do. Oh, for now I don't need a picture, 'cause somehow this whole world helps me see Him clearer. 'Cause I've walked in the valley, cried out from the sorrow, and I can tell you every fire He's brought me through. And I know Him better, I love Him forever. I've never seen the face of God,